The Adobe Creative Suite allows you to download Adobe applications such as Photoshop and Premiere Pro. To access this, head over to Beacon and select the Chat to Beacon function in the bottom right. From here, type in a question such as, "Where can I find Photoshop?" This will prompt Beacon to generate you a response, which will give you all the information you require. If you select the Adobe Can Be Found Here link within that prompt, it will direct you to where you can access and download the Creative Suite. Simply select the URL provided in the SharePoint, and then sign in with your student username and password to access the various applications you might need in your studies. Selecting the Apps window on the left-hand side of the screen will present you with the different applications you can download. We recommend downloading the Creative Cloud, as this not only keeps all of your applications up to date, but also gives you a nice cloud storage for Adobe applications. Simply select Download and install the cloud. Once you've installed the Adobe Creative Cloud, you might be required to sign in again. This will still require your student username and password. Once the Creative Cloud app has launched, simply navigate to the Apps tab and download the applications that you require. You'll also be able to access different tutorials for helping you learn the different applications. With the app, you'll also be able to see any updates that your applications might need, such as Premiere Pro, After Effects or Photoshop requiring an update.